Hi, it's Nicole from Cricut. Thanks for joining me. In this lesson, we'll make an iron-on hat using the Cricut Hat Press paired with the Cricut Heat app. Let's get started. To complete a project, you'll need a hat blank. In this case, we're using a gray Cricut ball cap. Your registered Cricut Hat Press. The included Cricut Hat pressing form. Your weeded design cut from Cricut iron-on material using Design Space and your cutting machine, and the Cricut Heat app downloaded to your device. You'll also want Cricut Strong Heat Resistant tape. A sample of the tape comes with the machine. First, we'll follow the app directions to preheat our machine. Open the Cricut Heat app. Select your Cricut Hat Press. Then select Start New Project. Select your transfer material, the material you'll press onto your hat blank. Next, select your blank material. The app recommends heat settings for preheat, pressing, and peeling your design based on the materials you're using. At the bottom of the screen, tap Send Settings to Hat Press to start heating up your machine. Second, we'll prep our blank. Unclasp your hat, fold out the sweatband, place your hat over the Cricut Hat pressing form included with your hat press. Once the Cricut Hat pressing form is inside the hat, press firmly on the top of the hat with your hands to create a firm pressing surface. Third, we'll preheat our blank. Once your machine reaches the desired temperature, the machine beeps and the app walks you through each step of the process. Preheat your blank by pressing the Go button, starting the countdown timer until the machine beeps again. Keep your Cricut Hat Press in motion along the surface of your hat blank to ensure even heating. Next, we'll apply the iron-on design to the preheated blank, liner side up. Tape your design on all sides, making it taut against the hat on the form. Ensuring the design is against the hat with no gaps or bubbles around the design creates a more consistent transfer. Next, it's time to press your design onto your hat blank with the app's recommended time and temperature settings. Simply click the Go button, starting the countdown timer. Apply the press using constant motion and light pressure. Follow the app instructions to peel the liner. The app will also give you helpful aftercare instructions, so you can get the most out of your newest creation. Thanks again for watching. Browse Cricut Learn for more helpful tutorials. Bye!